So today I'm going to be talking about um, a new social network that has its own blockchain, and I registered. And the name of the social network is Whaleshares. It's right here, whaleshares.io. Now, whaleshares.io is built on a software called the Graphene software. It's the same software that powers projects like pictures, projects like news, projects like Steam, and yeah, projects like that. And now the new projects we have on it now is wheelchairs, and I also do believe that the graphing software is the software that really is the foundation of the years.io blockchain software. So the wheelchairs.io, you can see right here. That's just the address, which is the high hold. This is my my address of my page. That's my username, Akitune, and this is my blog there. I have written a couple of posts. This is gonna be a short explanation of things. I hope to make more as time goes on. So I've written about 3 posts, and it's really nice. Nice community. If you write good stuff, you get voted. And for now, all I'm going to say is that the wheelchairs.io's website, or let me say blockchain, because they run on their own blockchain, is just a website, a DApp, that's the wheelchairs.io, a DApp built on the wheelchairs blockchain, is trying to do what Steam didn't do. There were a lot of things that was wrong with Steam. A lot of things that are also good with Steam, but a lot of things that were wrong, like people upvoting themselves and not caring about upvoting other people, which was supposed to be the real thing. That's one. And number two, people having a shorter reward time of 7 days, while in this case, it takes about 14 days before your post gets expired from the cycle of you not being able to get upvotes. And it also has some other features in which you when you upvote someone, automatically it appears in your page, like this person I upvoted, Pangoli, another person, someone I upvoted them, and just because of that they appeared on my own page. So it's just like a technique being used to make sure that you only upvote people or posts that you believe have the right value. So there's a lot of things about whaleshares.io, but like I said, it's going to be a short explanation of what whaleshares.io is, because there's a lot of intricacies. There's a lot of things that needs to be said about it because it's not yet launched. I mean, at least not fully. Where I say not fully yet, because you still have to sort of pay some whale shares for you to get registered. A very small amount, though, when you convert it to dollars. So um, if you want to register, you could just go to wheelchairs.io. Let me log out and just take you through a little bit of the process. And when you get to wheelchairs.io, this is what you have claim accounts, you have login. You only use login definitely when you already have an account there, or you use claim accounts. But the point is, they sort of just um, did a snapshot of the BitShares blockchain to make the snapshot of the BitShares blockchain. So there's a big possibility that if you had some whale shares or some BitShares in your BitShares account, you could have an account here. So if you do have an account, it said only people included in the share drop that can create before September 15, 2018. Basically, I would like to say the truth. I'm not really that clear on who those accounts that were exactly snapshotted, but I think what I've been hearing about is the fact that if you had pictures or wheelchairs in your account before September 15, then definitely you were supposed to be part of the share drop. So you just come here to claim your account right here. Click claim account, should load now. It's going to take me somewhere. That's wheelchairs, WLS.services. That's the name of the address where you claim your account. So it should load now. I have a little bit of low internet, right? Slow internet here, so that's the more reason why this video is not going to be long. It's just for me to do something. So now, when you get here, you just have to follow the instructions, which is a little bit not too complex. As long as you need to have a BitChase account, you need to come here, click on the name you want to use, check this box to show that you believe your account has already been snapshotted by the Wheelshares on the Wheelshares blockchain. So let's assume I want to use Akitunde now. I already have my account, so let me put two answers in front, check for the availability. Should work like this. Not working. Okay, so it says my account name doesn't exist on the Wheelshares blockchain, meaning that account name was not snapshotted. But I think if I uncheck this and then check if it's available, it should tell me it's available because I'm more or less trying to register. Nevertheless, yeah, exactly. So it shows green. It's available for me to register. I can generate random keys. The keys are here. And after I've done that, I'm supposed to, show the memo. After showing this memo, I go to BitChase. I go to my BitChase account, which you can check through the OpenLedger.io, I think, or EasyDex. There's a lot of front ends for the BitChase blockchain. So you go there and then you send one Wheelshares to this address, WLS BTS, and then from there using this memo that is right in here. Nevertheless, I would like to really say that the process of having to create an account is not yet something that I really understand part of here. It is only easier when you know your account has already been snapshotted. But I hope to make a follow-up video on the concrete steps to take to get registered on the Wheelshares .io decentralized application based on the Wheelshares blockchain. But for now, I think that's the only dApp on the Wheelshares blockchain. That's the only front end you have for the Wheelshares blockchain, Wheelshares.io. So personally for me, I would like to say that it is a nice place to be. It's nothing as beautiful as being part of something when it's just starting, and that's one. Then number two, the people who founded this have experience in terms of they've been on Steam. They know what's wrong with Steam. They're trying to correct with this. They understand HERES. They've been in the community. In fact, let's just call them the graphene community. Any software out there that was built on the graphene on the graphene software, definitely were part of that community, and they've learned a lot, and they're putting their experience into making this thing. So I gotta go now, and thanks for listening.